challenges in the manufacturing unit, and lot many problems are addresses in day-to-day process of manufacturing unit. So majorly they just go for different set of the solutions, and they go for the temporary solutions and quick fixes. Now these quick fixes may provide them temporary solution, but these are not long term. So what to do to find the long term sustainable solutions, and where the problem is not reoccurred again and again in the manufacturing unit? So we need to understand the deeper causes. We don't need to focus on the surface issues of the problem. So how to fix it? So hey there, this is Dr. Sapna and you are watching my talk. Today I am here to tell you about the root cause analysis to give the long-term solutions of the problem. Now what is this RCA? RCA is a systematic approach to understand the underlying failures and causes of the problem to ensure that corrective action addresses the root cause, not the symptoms. RCA reduces defects, delays and failures, and it is very important to reduce the level of incidents and providing safety to the manufacturing unit. It is a mode of continuous improvement, and it reduces the cost of rework and scrap, which is known as hidden factory in any process. So it reduces the cost of poor quality, and RCA is the effective method to have the informed decisions based on facts and figures. It empowers the team, and team carries the ownership to resolve the problem. RCA is a method which identifies waste, lead process improvement. It is a systematic operation which optimizes the resource planning and reduce the unplanned downtime and increase the productivity of the operation and lowers the operation majorly maintenance time. So RCA is the effective method, systematic method which ensure that failures, reworks, scraps, defects, delays are reduced in the manufacturing unit. So what is the frequency where RCAs need to be conducted? The frequency of RCA depends on the nature of manufacturing operations which we conduct, depends on the type of issues to be encountered, and organizational approach of continuous improvement. Monitor the frequency of RCA. Major process which impact the product quality, the RCA should be conducted more frequently and more effectively to prevent the reoccurrence of the problems again and again, and to give the long-term solution. Root cause analysis approach is effective. In case you receive complaints from the customer, then RCA is effective. If the process you are operating is changed due to any innovation and you find that process more effective, then you need to check the RCA so that to understand whether that process is not causing any defects either to environment or to the process or to the quality of the product. So RCA can be done on the monthly and quarterly basis depending on the priority of the process to be carried. Important steps of RCA is to identify the problem, define the problem statement, collect the data, identifying the factors, identifying the root causes, and providing the substantial solution. These are the steps of RCA. So RCA majorly focus on the KPIs. KPIs are the key performance indicators which are very important, which are accessing your business objectives, which is quality, cost and delivery, which is a major KPIs of any manufacturing unit. Now you need to measure the overall equipment efficiency, defect rate, yield time by the process of RCA. Now RCA can be performed in two types. First approach of RCA is 5 times why. You just need to drill down 5 times why to find out the underlying cause of the problem. I'll just tell you one simple example of it. Say it provides 5 why provides a very simple solutions to the problems. Just in case machine is not working. You said that why machine is not working. Someone told that machine is being overheated. So why it is overheated? Because cooling fans are not working. So why cooling fans were not working? Because it was clogged with the dust. So why with dust? Because maintenance were not done on the time. So this is the clear case of preventive maintenance, because maintenance is not done on the time. So deeper cause of this problem where machine has been not working by 5 hours is just drilled down by asking 5 times. It is not mandatory to ask why 5 times. It can be done in 3 times, 4 times, or sometimes in the 6 times or 7 times can be operated. This is about the 5 why. The second underlying parameters which can be used to find out the RCA is cause and effect diagram, which is also known as Ishikawa diagram or fishbone diagram. I will show you that particular diagram has its mouth of the fish where problem is need to be stated. And apart from it, there is 6 branches which is being laid down in RCA is man, material, machine, measurement, and underlying environment factor, which is known as mother nature, and method, which is need to be underlined by this process of root cause analysis. Now, I'll just tell you a simple example for the same. The simple example of cause and effect diagram which I can tell you, say if there is any foreign particle in the production line, a product contamination in the production line of pharmaceutical firm. Now, what need to be understood? Now, we'll undergo the problem statements by the following factors. The first factor is men, whether the men and operators have performed their duties properly. Second is method was appropriate, SOPs were followed. Third is material, whether the raw materials were proper or not. Fourth factor is measurement of air, humidity, temperature, all sectors were proper or not. And finally, the next process is environment, whether the impact of environment has been associated or not. While studying the underlying factors, we'll get to know the root cause of the problem which can be treated so that we will not get the reoccurrence of the problem. Majorly, root cause analysis help to reduce the variation, provide the product which is zero defect oriented. So when we will underline the particular issue, then we will find out that the cleaning of the process was not done properly. The cleaning of machine was not done properly, so that a foreign material came in the production line in a manufacturing unit. So this was all about the RCA. RCA is a root cause analysis which focuses on the problems in the simple way by 5 way. The complex problem can be addressed by cause and effect or fishbone diagram. So follow me for more such information. Thank you.